program that we're working with. So in the last lesson, we had quite some challenges regarding the let's just see, we had a number of challenges. So but there's something that I've observed which I want us to fix up front. So if we run this up, all right, so we've got so we from all right, maybe let's do this, let's sort out that problem. So the problem from the last lesson was actually on the on the on the on the create. All right, so just to mention a few, I commented out the db commit view. So this one, what it will do is that it will persist whatever you've entered into the database, and then it is committed, or it is saved, in other words. But let's just see. So the error that we are getting is actually coming from this line. So I observed that. So for instance, here you've got this opening bracket and you've got that bracket. So already that counts for two brackets this side. So one of them is closed there. Okay. Then here we've got one opening bracket, it's closed there. We've got one opening bracket, it's closed there, but the first one was not closed. So that is one of the things that we have to do. That is one. Then two, the number of fields. So let's just go and do all right, let's go to our SQL. All right, so the fields that we are capturing are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and not 10. So I just so here our fields that we capturing are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what we need here, so if you see here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As a matter of fact, this also can't be correct. So we need one more, and then now we should be good. All right. So if we run this now, okay. All right, we are getting something there. Let's say we wanted to capture Telegram. We'll still call it Telegram. Let's assume there are 12 million users. It takes, okay, let's say it just uses voice only. All right, so you see this is an anomaly. We just need to, so this is ticking everything, but we'll fix that one. Let's assume it was started in 2013. All right, and maybe it was developed in one of the languages was PHP, and then it's not listed. And then let's just say grade 2. All right, let's save this. All right, so we are still having errors in the database now. So when you look at this error, so it has to do with that list comprehension command that I wrote. So what we're supposed to do here, because this is a list, we're supposed to get the index. So that index of the list, and then we use that in the loop. So we are going to change where we are getting this information. So that index actually has to get in there. Same for this one. All right. Let's all right, okay, let's try to maybe let's now do WhatsApp. WhatsApp, maybe that's the code. The description is WhatsApp messaging application, and maybe how many users do we have globally? Okay, it says 250. All right, it does both that. Okay, that is still erroneous. When did it start? 2003. All right, what language was used? C Sharp, Delphi, C, and Object Pascal. All right, where is it listed? It's listed on NASDAQ. We just say grade 2. All right, we save. All right, we still have errors there. App call. So what's the issue here? All right, so got our app call there. Okay, in the database, what is it called? It's also called app call. Where are we passing that from? We are getting this app call. Okay, where have we declared this app call? So this is an anomaly. It's supposed to be app call. App call. All right. Let's run it again. So let's try. Let's try, because we didn't save WhatsApp. So we'll say WhatsApp. We'll still say WhatsApp. All right, 250 million users globally. That and that. 2003. That. Maybe excellent. All right, we save it. Okay, it's still giving us an error. All right, so what we're going to do, in fact, let's say, so this one will help us to sort out 2 issues immediately. So if we go to the top, okay, one of the errors that we are having, see, this is business to consumer, business to business, business to government, but when you look at the variable name, it's one and the same thing. So what I'm going to do, I don't want to change a lot, but let's say, so get that and put it there. All right, so we've got our business. All right, so we are happy with that. Let us just go and see. Okay, what was the error? Okay, let's just run it again. WhatsApp, WhatsApp, 250. All right, it does that one. All right, so you can see now you can choose just exactly what you want. Let's do that. Let's just type in that. Let's go and save. All right, so we're still having okay, now this is on the, so we need to name it exactly the way it is. So if you go in our so this is business, let's name them exactly the way they are. All right, okay, all right, WhatsApp, WhatsApp, 250. Does that. It's good for business to consumer, it's good for that. 2003, that, that. Okay, we'll say grade 2. Right, if we save. All right, where is this line 225? 225. All right, the issue is actually I changed the wrong. This one can remain. Let's so in the database it's actually just to avoid problems. It's actually here that I needed to change. So because this is what we are reading from the all right. Okay, this is what we needed to change. Okay, what's up? What's up? Messaging application 250. All right, we tick that one, we tick that one. 2003, we go in there, we change that and that, we put that one, we say grade 2. Okay, save. All right, so we're having all right, so this error, okay, list can't be converted. So to fix this, so that issue is actually coming out of maybe the thing that we must do. All right, I'm going to comment out this part so that you see what the comment. Let's comment that one out. So what we are going to do, I just want to, let's print this and see. Okay, so this is print. All right, so let us okay, we'll run this. We'll say what's up, what's up. Okay, 250. Okay, is that one? Let's pick that one there. Let's pick that. Let's just do, let's, okay, so we've chosen C#. Okay, we've picked those ones. We've picked that. So let's just save. I want us to see. So you see in here, the way it is stored is okay, so you can see the way it is stored, but you see in the database it will not be stored like that. So what we need to do is we are going to say dot join. I just want us to see. All right, let us see if we run it. Let's just say maybe it's Facebook. We already have Facebook in our database. All right, we don't have it, so it's fine. Okay, for now let's 1.3 billion. Let's do that. Okay, let's put it there. 1, 2, 3. Let's put that one and that one. Let's testing. All right, so let's do save. All right, why is it all right, our command was not right. We needed to say join here. All right, so what I'm going to do, where is that error coming from? Print. Okay, so that is also close it like that. Okay, FB, Facebook, 1.3 billion. All right, let's do that. Let's take it that way. Okay, okay, test. All right, you see now, so what we've done is that we're basically converting that uh, list into just a string of characters which our field is willing to accept. So that's what we need to do. So we don't need so I'm going to remove this. So when we are saving it in here, so I'm going to uncomment those. Okay, so what we need to do at this point, we have to say dot join. Okay, so we are doing it on a comma. Let's do that. Same here. We're going to do if you've used SQL Server reporting service, this is a very common trick that we use to do to split things or to join things. All right, so now this should work. Let's okay. All right, let's go and do Telegram again. Telegram. Okay, what is the name? It's called Telegram messaging application. How many users are there globally? They say it's 200 million. Let's say, okay, maybe what type of okay, it uses voice only. All right, it's good for okay, let's say it's good for those things. When was it started? 2013. All right, okay, we are happy there. Let's assume that it was done in C# and PHP. Is it listed? No, it's not listed. Let's just say here excellent to have. All right, now let us go under save. All right, so what we've done is we haven't added any messaging box to tell us what has happened. So what we'll need to do is we'll need to just add a few dialog boxes which will as a matter of fact, I remember I needed to do a validation here that the comment should not be less than 10 characters. So what we'll do is we are going to add a few more functionality to ask to say, all right, if we are happy with what we are seeing here, are we ready now to save? So in other words, just to confirm saving. But let's just see what has happened with that one that we added. Let's see if at all it was saved. What's the name again? Sometimes this can be all right, let's just see. Did we save this application? All right, we saved it, but the issue is okay, so okay, as a matter of fact, I actually did it twice, so we'll have to take one of them out so you can see the saving button is now working. So the only thing that we need to do is just to enhance functionality. So just to communicate, just to give feedback to the user to say if they are happy with what they are seeing on the screen, maybe it's high time to proceed to save the contents on the screen. So far it's looking good, and we're looking like we're making progress with creating our our GUI application the way we wanted it created.